Go.
Watch your mommy be inside. Jax, did you have to wait to come down here too? Oh, look. You gonna play over there?
What is it, Andrew?
Or you got Easter
Which one do you think is yours?
Whoa, look at mommy.
Did you get us some Easter baskets? Wow.
A football. This is almost like Christmas morning. A Barbie doll. Is that a princess, Buzz?
Yeah.
She's a ballerina.
Oh, cool.
Andrew, what'd you get? You want to get up in your chair and see?
And this.
A plate?
Lots of cool things. Some plates.
Some jelly beans.
Whoa.
Open up.
What's that? Star Wars coloring book? Sweet.
We can take that on the airplane with us, too.
You got a princess coloring book, Bose. You can put it on the airplane next week. Some working gloves to work in the yard.